At least 13 drug suspects are killed in the Philippine National Police's anti-illegal drug operations Friday, just a day after new National Police Chief Oscar Albayalde was sworn into office. Bulacan cops conduct a province-wide simultaneous operation on illegal drugs, a renamed version of provincial PNP's one-time big-time operations. Police begin operations early morning Friday. As of noontime, 13 are killed and 58 are arrested from 49 anti-drugs operations. All the slain suspects supposedly fought back or nanlaban. The operations led to the seizure of 72.04 grams of shabu and 510.9 grams of marijuana, valued at around 488,000 pesos. Some 15 pieces of various firearms are also recovered. These deaths will add to the more than 4,000 death toll in anti-drug operations as counted by the government. Human rights groups say the death toll has reached around 12,000.